A biconvex lens of refractive index 1.5, focal length 20 centimeters in air. Its focal length when immersed in a liquid of refractive index 1.6 is. Yeah, I think you can do this one easily. Initially, focal length is given as a 20 in air. So we can say this as 1 by 20, which is equal to refractive index 1.5 minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Second case, 1 by F2 equal to, now they are immersed in some other liquid. Liquid refractive index is given as a 1.6. 1.5 by 1.6 minus 1 into, that is 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Now if we have taken a ratio between these two, then F2 by 20, which is equal to, this is 0.5 by minus 1. Yes, so this is minus 0.1 by 1.6 na. So simplify and get the values. So how much will come this F2 value? Minus 160 centimeters. Yes.